Today I'm going to be making some natural deodorant. We've been using natural deodorant for the last couple of years and we swear by it. It's made with natural ingredients, it's really easy to make at home, and it really works. So come along with me and we'll go through the ingredients and the recipe now. For this recipe you're going to need some beeswax, bentonite clay, shea butter, coconut oil, bicarb soda, arrowroot flour, cocoa butter and essential oils. We're going to be using a double boiler for this recipe, so place a heat-proof bowl on top of a saucepan of boiling water. Into the bowl we're going to add half a cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter and 3 tablespoons of beeswax. Get that melted down. Next we add the dry ingredients. We've got 3 tablespoons of bicarb soda, 6 tablespoons of arrowroot flour, 4.5 tablespoons of bentonite clay. Combine that all together, get rid of all of the lumps. Finally, we're going to add in some essential oils for scent. You can choose whichever ones that you like. I have eucalyptus and lavender here, so I've put in 10 drops of each. You can put more or less depending on what you like. I just have some recycled containers I'm going to be storing the deodorant in. You just need to work quickly because it does start to set straight away. You can use any kind of container. You can purchase the push-up deodorant rolls like we've got here, or any of the other jars like I have. There you go, natural deodorant, homemade in about 5 minutes. If you got something out of this video, can you do me a favour and hit the like button below? Have you made this deodorant? Leave a comment. Hit the subscribe button to follow along with my family's journey to a more self-sufficient, healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. See you next time.